Comparative study of reproductive system in invertebrates. Euglena, amoeba and paramecium are common examples of phylum Protozoa. Binary fission is very common mode of reproduction. In this type of fission, parent cell, that is unicellular or acellular cell, divides into two daughter cells, and these two daughter cells then developed into adult cell. In Euglena, longitudinal binary fission is mode of reproduction. This is Euglena. It is nucleus, chromosome nucleus, and this is longitudinal furrow. Nuclear constriction, and then this Euglena divides into two daughter nuclei or two daughter cells, and after this it developed into, both the daughter cells develop into new adult cells. This is longitudinal binary fission. In paramecium, this is transverse binary fission. This is macronucleus, micronucleus. Oral groove disappears, dividing macronucleus and dividing micronucleus. Mitotic spindle, and new oral groove is forming. Then new contractile vacuoles, and then it divides into two daughter paramecium. It is also an example of phylum Protozoa, Plasmodium, responsible for malaria, cyst, and these are division of cells, division of cell within cyst, and these are many daughter cells. It is known as multiple fission. Hydra, it is an example of phylum Coelenterata, vegetative type of growth or reproduction. This is bud. This bud then detached from the parent animal and then developed into new organism or new hydra. Jellyfish or Aurelia is also an example of phylum Coelenterata. These are fertilized eggs, planula larva, developed into polyp, and this produced aphyra. These aphyra then developed into medusa. There are many aphyra, and then each aphyra developed into adult medusa or jellyfish. Platyhelminthes, example Tania solium. Male and female reproductive organs are present. This is testes, semina, vesicles, sperm duct, and these are ovary, vagina, gonopore. In each segment, these mature segment, these structures are present. Annelida. It is an example of Polychaeta, Annelida. Adult, then embryo is developed, then trochophore larva, metatrochophore, 48 hours, 60 hours, 72 hours, and then it developed into maturing worm and then mature worm. Arthropoda, adult fly, produce many eggs. First larva, this is first larval stage, second larval stage, third larval stage, then pupa, and then adult fly. Mollusca, unfertilized eggs. This is fertilized egg. Trochophore larva, veliger larva, pediveliger, early, then later, several days old, and then it developed into adult. This is the life cycle of oyster. These are echinodermates, phylum Echinodermata. Starfishes, sea urchin, etc. Brittle star, Ophiothrix. Life cycle of starfish. After fertilization, this is ovum, this is zygote, cleavage, morula, blastulation. Gastrulation, later gastrulation, and this is early bipinnaria. Early bipinnaria, ciliated band, mouth, gut, anus. This is early bipinnaria, and later bipinnaria. Pre-oral ciliated band, post-oral ciliated band, mouth, gut, anus. Then it converts into brachiolaria. These are rudiments of starfish and adhesive disc on arms. Then it developed into brachiolaria, developed into young starfish, and this young starfish then developed into adult starfish. This is the life cycle of starfish. Phylum Echinodermata. These are crustacean larvae. This is nucleus. These are appendages. First larva, crustacean larva, youngest crustacean larva, nucleus larva, and these are appendages. Second is Zuia larva. This is eye, and these are appendages with abdomen and talson. Phylosoma, and Elima. This is Megalopa. This is abdomen. These are arms, legs, and this is Mysis larva. So these are the crustacean larvae: Nauplius, Zoea, Phylosoma, Megalopa, and this is Mysis.